Welcome to another video from SportsPlay Equipment Inc. This video will detail the technique used to patch and repair vinyl material on SportsPlay's contained play indoor playground units. If you need a vinyl repair kit for this purpose, contact your SportsPlay distributor or SportsPlay customer service at 1-800-727-8180 to order. Be sure to specify green for jungle, yellow for school bus, or red for the fire engine. Tools required for this repair include utility knife, electric heat gun with flat nozzle tip, 1.5-inch seam roller. Begin by cutting out the damaged section of vinyl. Remove the outer vinyl layer and then cut and remove the damaged foam underneath the surface. Cut new foam size to insert into position. Next, cut a vinyl patch to size, allowing approximately 1/2 inch overlap on all sides to patch the hole. Hold the vinyl patch firmly in position and use the heat gun to begin to seal one of the edges. Next, use the heat gun on the opposite side to begin to seal it in place. Working quickly, go back to each edge and insert the flat nozzle slightly underneath the vinyl while using the roller to seal the heated surfaces together. Work your way around all 4 sides of the patch. Be careful not to leave the heat gun in a stationary position for too long, as it will not take much time to bond the vinyl surfaces together. Please visit us online at sportsplayinc.com.